God, that's a big fish.
What's up, guys? So I completely forgot to film an intro just because I was busy spending time with my family and my brother and fishing with them. I piled in 3 days of fishing into this video, and it is a eventful, fun few days. Caught some awesome fish. The first fish you're gonna see me catch, I did not expect to catch. I didn't know they were in there. A lot of the locals didn't even know that this fish was in there, so it's pretty exciting that I was able to land one on like some of my first few casts at this freshwater reservoir that they built in the middle of the island of Oahu. So we are literally in the middle of an island in the middle of the ocean where there's not supposed to be fresh water, but it's man-made. They stocked it with smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, peacock bass, and apparently other stuff that some of the locals didn't even know was in there. But there's tilapia, oscar, red devils, plecos, you name it. There's a bunch of random stuff in here. I'm not gonna name the one that I catch until y'all see it. It's kind of wild. It's just, I was not expecting it. It's a fun few days of fishing, and let's just get into it. Yeah. It's out right there. I'm gonna walk over to that place. Ooh, that was a hit. That's got me excited. I'm gonna go try somewhere else. You on? Oh, you fell. Is that a tilapia? Oh, bro.
No, he ate it.
First Hawaiian fish.
He ate it. He didn't foul hook.
That's cool though.
It's very pretty.
You want a picture with it? Might be the only fish you catch in Hawaii. Look how high I am. That's all I really wanted, just save on my line. I just got hit. Oh my God, that's a big fish.
What the heck is that? It's one of those. I think it's a clown knife fish. It's a clownfish.
That's a big fish, holy crap.
Bro, that's a sick catch if you landed.
What the?
You stop it on?
Yeah, it's right here.
You want me video?
Holy crap. Go get my camera. Go get my camera in my bag.
And I've got it on video.
I wonder if you can lift these things.
What the heck? You gotta put it in live. Come on, get this in, get this in, get this in. Should I try to get it in?
Yeah. I don't know how to touch these things. That thing's a bino.
Bro, I can't even pull it in. Can you hold this?
He needs water.
All right. I don't know how to hold this thing.
I don't either. It's a clown featherback knife fish.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna leave it here and go grab my gloves.
He's lipping it.
Yeah. All right, I guess I'm gonna try to lip him. Yeah.
Yeah, you should be able to hold it.
Alright, I got you.
Holy crap. Okay, can you see it?
Yeah. Okay, you're good.
All right, I'm gonna bite it.
Oh
I don't think he needs to be revived. Looks like he's just swimming off. Let's go. What? What the heck?
That's a knife fish right there.
Fix it up.
Clown knife fish.
I didn't see that on the species list.
Yo, that's so sick. What? Yeah, I released him. I didn't want it to die. That thing was heavy.
Wow. No, we're just visiting.
Not what we were expecting. That's not what we were fishing for. I didn't even know that was in here. We're fishing for peacock bass. I literally sat there for like 5 seconds and it was like eating it. It was heavy. I wasn't expecting it to be that heavy because it reeled in easy. It was a crappy fighting fish, but. So, I don't twitch it. I do like a pull and then I let it sit for like 3 seconds.
You can't really twitch it with this rod.
I got snagged. I'm cleaning it up, baby. Not gonna touch that. And we will throw this away. Jonah, it's a peacock. I'm pretty sure. I don't have the right lure on for it. See it right there? Like in the middle. It's not very big. I feel like it's definitely a peacock. You can see the like little orange tint. I think it's this lure is literally a deep diver and that's like 1 inch of water. You have a leaf on. You see the dust it kicked up over there? I don't think it went much further from that. Ooh, peacock right here, right here. Literally right in front of me. I saw him come to the top right where that Oscar is and he went to the left. You got one? You got one?
Peacock.
I'm getting mine in. I'm getting mine in. Do you want me to go down there?
No!
Did it break your line?
Yeah.
Dang. You only bought one of those though, didn't you?
Sadly.
What is it? What is it? Come on, be a peacock. No! Dang it! It was just it was a largemouth, but it was a fish. Dang. Did you see it jump? I'm pretty sure it was a largemouth. Are you kidding me?
Casting off.
Yeah. What's up guys, that was the first video that I'm going to be posting fishing the freshwater reservoir here in the middle of Oahu. It was obviously a little bit of a struggle after I caught that sick clown knife fish. That thing was heavy, that was so cool. But we did see a ton of peacocks, we just weren't able to land one, which is kind of unfortunate. But I'm currently editing the second video that I'm going to drop right after this one where we do end up catching our first peacock bass, not even just in Hawaii, like ever. Like I know I live in Florida, but I just haven't targeted them that much because it's like 4 or 5 hours south of me. So it was cool to catch my first peacock, especially being here in Hawaii. That was really cool. Stay tuned for that video, which is posting right after this one. If you made it this far, thank you so much for the view. Thank you so much for the watch time, honestly, because it's probably about a 10-minute video, which means a lot. Any support means the world to me. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and stay tuned for the next one.